Hello students, this is lesson 2 from trade to territory. The company establishes its power. So as the name of the chapter itself showing or telling that what we are going to study in this chapter. Mainly in this 8th class history, all the chapters are connected with each other. The previous one will be necessary for you to read the next one. So in this class and in this book we are going to study about a colonial period. And now you are well aware what is the meaning of colonial period. A period when British ruled in our country. As I have told you already, the division of the Indian history, some British historians divide our Indian history into ancient, medieval, modern, but we cannot say this period of history as a modern history, because modern means uh, there should be development, some new concept like democracy, equality, liberty, science, reason. All these new concepts should be introduced in a time, then uh, we can say a time as a modern period. But India's time, this is time when British rule in our country, we denote is as a colonial period, because British controlled our country, they rule in our country, they exploit us, they they took maximum benefit from our country, but they didn't give any benefit to our country. So this period we called as a colonial period. So it is must to know for you that British came in our country as a trader. They came into our country to do a trade. They were reluctant to establish rule in this country. Initially, they have no any idea about that, but a situation has been created, a specific environment, favorable environment created in respect of British. That's why they start acquiring the areas in this country, and slowly they become the whole and sole ruler of this country, and they ruled in our country about 200 years. So in this chapter we are going to study that what were those circumstances in which they get a chance to think about this, and a gradual process it was. So from trade means they came in this country as a trader, but they established their rule, they acquire the almost whole Indian territory under its control, and then it's established its power. Company established its power. Understood? So first I would like to tell you that what we are going to study in this chapter, like a heading you can think so. So first we will understand that what was India before the coming of British. Means when British didn't come into India, at that time the country was under some rulers. So what was the situation at that time? Second, how did they come into India? They came into India as a trader, but slowly and gradually after a process they become the ruler of the country. So how it's happened? What were the situation has created? And to become a ruler, it was not a easy task. So they adopt a lot of a policy. They had used carrot as well as they used stick to become the ruler of this country. So they fought many battles, small, big, a lot of battles. So two battles were play. important role in establishing company rule. The one was Battle of Plassey, another was Battle of Buxar. We will read about these wars in a descriptive way in the next videos. Then they fought war as well as they adopted some policies to expand its territory. What were those policies? Number one was subsidiary alliance. Number two was claim of paramountcy. Number three, doctrine of lapse. So these are the three policies with which they expand its rule. Britisher also had to do war with Tipu Sultan to control the southern India, and they did war with Marathas to control western India. So after controlling all over the India, then British worked to change the administration of India. Then British established a new administration into India. So we will study about this also. Then company established its army because to protect its territory from other one, it was very necessary that they should have an army. So they start establishing its own army. So what were the feature of this army and how it was different from the previous one? So these all the things we are going to study in this chapter. So and it will be good for you that you make a reading once of the book so that when I will explain you, then you can very easily understand.